Hello everyone. Today I am Vedant Sharma, a student of CMA Final of Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. Here making a video to humbly appeal to the institute the grievances of we as students. So before starting this video, I am a student of the institute. My name is Vedant Sharma and I had secured All India Rank 20 in the intermediate exams in the past. And this video is completely to highlight the issues faced by us and not to defame our institute. I dare not defame our institute because it is my own mother institute. So please take this video positively to and share this video to the stakeholders of our institute. So today I am going to speak on the following 12 topics on very crisp manner. I don't want to expand it. So let's start with the study material errors. So you all know that while doing the self-study, I have came across to a lot of errors in the study material. And unfortunately, these are not rectified with time to time. In SFM book, Strategic Financial Management book, in Strategic Cost Management book, and in many other books also, there are a lot of errors like there are material errors and these are not rectified for time to time, which is very disappointing. Next, question paper and suggested answers of January 2021 exams. After merging the June 20 and December 20 exams, online exams were conducted and the question paper of that exam is still not available on the institute website for the students to practice. Neither there are suggested answers for the students. It is very unfortunate because now 10 months have completed since the exam conducted and it has been around 7 to 8 months since the result has been declared. Even students have received the certificates but there is no sign of question paper or suggested answers. Next, October 2021 exams, what happened? First, institute decided to conduct the exams on time, that is in the June. Then it postponed it to July. Then from July, it directly postponed into the October 21st. I agree there were COVID issues. The second day was there, and CA Institute exams were there from in the month of July, and then CS Institute exams were there till August 21st or 22nd. But after that, from August 25th till October 20, there was a lot time. Institute could have conducted exams during the September first week, but no, not in October first week also, but at the end of the October. So this timetable when came only, that was a surprise. Because if the exam is being conducted in October 21, how the next attempt of December 21 will be conducted? Then again, a notification came that the exam is merged with the December 21 because of unavoidable issues. What are those unavoidable issues? Till now, no clarification came. What about the valuable time of the students who are preparing since long time? No clarification, nothing. The main issue now is every student is demanding is official clarification. Unfortunately, this is very disappointing to say that there is no official clarification regarding any issues from the institute. Hardly after a lot of protests on Twitter or any other or complaining to the institute members or the CCMs, then hardly we get a clarification. That too incomplete. So, dear institute, we need official clarifications from you on time to time basis. Role of Twitter. Nowadays, even today evening, on the evening of 27 November, justice for CM students was trending. Why on the Twitter this thing is trending? Is Twitter the official platform to discuss? No. But since there is no official communication and the CCMs are available on Twitter and some social media influencers, I would like to say, they are also on Twitter acting on behalf of institute. That institute is doing this, institute is doing that. Why? On asking to institute members, they will say that I have talked with the institute and institute said that this thing will be this and this. Why they are telling and not the institute? Are the representatives of institute? No. We need clarifications from institute in an official manner because it is not some social organization or an NGO that anything is. Our institute is a statutory body set up under the an act of parliament. So this type of mismanagement does not suit the institute. Again, I would like to say one thing. I am not trying to defame the institute. I am just saying that these are the problems. Next, repeated changes in the exam pattern in a single month. What the exam pattern in January 21 was something different, and the exam pattern which is going to be conducted from December 8, that is completely different. And this pattern is also not finalized in a single time. Three patterns were changed in single month without any official clarification or official notification. It is just changing multiple times without anyone's notice or notification or something. So how the students will see? As a student, anyone will confuse that how to do it. There is no proper guidelines how to do it, and after some time a guideline came, but again there is a change in the pattern. So what we will do? Then opt out with respect to exam pattern. Opt-out facility is provided because students have problems. Either they need time to cope up with the exam pattern. But on 27th October, I think there was the last date to opt out. But after that, exam pattern changed, I think 2 or 3 times. So what is the value of the opt-out given earlier? What about the student who is not comfortable with the pattern, with the sudden change in pattern? He may take time to adjust to it. So what about them? So this thing is also something unacceptable because opt-out, the purpose of opt-out is not fulfilled. Next, mock test portal errors. At least the mock test portal should be released 1 or 2 months earlier. That is the minimum. But no, the Group 1 inter mock test portal was released some time back. Group 2 was pending. Then Group 2 came. But for CMA final, there is no mock test portal. In the name of mock test portal, they are just providing PDFs. Are we going to write exam in our PDFs? No. So where is the mock test portal? The name itself says that it is the mock test which we are going to appear. But no, we are getting a PDF. In that also there are errors. Simply, I will state a simple exam, a real issue. In the mock test PDF which we received for the SFM subject, Strategic Financial Management, there were few MCQs which related to strategic cost management. That is, in FM subject, we are getting MCQs of costing, and in costing, we are getting questions of SFM subject. So, dear institute, please, this is not acceptable at all. Simply, this is completely miscommunication and complete mismanagement of the examination department, I can say. Please solve this issue because exam are hardly 10 days left, and there we have MTPs which contains errors. I understand to err is human, but in this sector we cannot afford errors. Next, Hindi typing. The students, though Hindi medium students, their typing issue is, I think, 1.5 years long. Even before when the institute decided to conduct online exams in December 2020, since then this issue is prevailing, but since then unfortunately there is no clear clarification about this. Even when the new notification came for December 21 exams, there also there is no official or clear clarification about how the Hindi medium students are going to write the exams. So please give a clear clarification about that also. And admit card, hardly 10 days are left. Students don't know where is their center, how they are going to appear in the exams. Like online it is okay, but where? I stay some far away from my examination center. I have to make in advance booking for bus or train, and then again I have to make reservations for the hotels. Everything is there, and suddenly before some days we before 4 or 5 days we'll get the deciduous center. So this is not going to accepted by the students. Obviously, we are helpless, we cannot do anything, but this is not how it happens. And most importantly, exam pattern. Everyone is raising question, how is the exam pattern? It contains descriptive question, it has MCQ, how to type this. On those things, everyone spoke, so I will not mm, elaborate on that. I will just say, dear institute, please fix such a exam pattern which is accepted by all, provided with all clarifications. For every single doubt a student can have, there should be a clarification even before asking. That is what we expect from a premier institute like Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. And here, those who think that I am against online exams, I am here clarifying one single thing. No, I am the biggest supporter of institute in online exams because this is something we are shifting into. Now, after our exams are completed, we have get members. Everything is getting online or digital. So this step by institutes is welcomed at all, And those who are asking for offline exams, I am not in support, or I am neither against them, but I am in support of institute for conducting online exams, but online exams in a proper pattern, in a proper time frame, with proper guidelines and clarifications. This is all what I wanted to convey. At last, I would just say one thing on behalf of the student community, and I urge the of Cost Accountant of India to look upon these matters at the earliest and benefit the student community at the earliest. Thank you, everyone. This is Vedant.